Hello friends, welcome to Smart Tech Guy, and in this video we are gonna learn how to add buttons in a web page. So first, in Sublime Text Editor I will save a file named as button.html, and I will again save another file named as style.css. Now in the button HTML document I will type in HTML and automatically the whole layout will be inserted. So now first type in the title how to add buttons, or you can type anything you want, and in the body BG color I will give it as cyan. Yes, and here in I will put a header, and in that I will put a div, and the div class I will put as main, means that would be the main subject of the web page. And now in a ordered list, no, not an ordered list, first I will put a beer, means a gap will be created, and now I will put a logo, and in that in image src you will put the name of the image. I will put it later, and the class of the div of the logo I have named as logo, and in the I will give another ul, means ordered list, and in that li, and in that a refer link I will put, but for now I will put here a hashtag, and in the between I will put home, and I will copy that paragraph 3 times, not total 4 times, and I will rename it with different names like about, content, and contact. Now I will close that list, and now I will start typing the style, means the css. The first thing that I will put is a star, then curly bracket, and in that I will put margin. Margin I will put as 10, and padding as 0. No, the margin I will put as 0. And font family I will put as Century Gothic. You can put any, you can put Times New Roman, you can put Calibri. Now I will give one line gap, and in that I will put the header, then curly bracket, and in that background image as linear gradient, and in the two round brackets, in the first gap of the round brackets I will put rgh, and in the second I will put 0, 0, 0, 0.5, and the url you can specify any of the url if you want for the image. And now I will put here a height, means the height of the buttons, and the height will be 100 vh, and the background size you can put anything. I have put 50 pixels, and the background position as you can put anything, means right or left. I have put here center. Then ul means buttons ul list, means the list how it will be showed. Now I'm opening that HTML file so that we could see that how it is working. Oh, it is taking some time to load. Yes, here you can see that the buttons are represented as bullets, but now we will do the styling for that. First we will do the float, means how it will be represent. It is right, means 1 is to other in the right position, and the list style type I will give it as none, because we don't need any style of the list. And then I will put a margin top, means the top margin, it will I give as 25 pixels, and the ulli means the buttons, the display inline the display I will give it as inline block, and the ullia means the buttons I will put as first I will put the text decoration, it will be none, means the text should not be any means bold or italic. The color I will put as ff, hashtag ff, and the padding I will put as 10 pixels and 25 pixels, and the border 1 pixel. The thickness of the border will be 1 pixel, and it will be solid transparent, means we would not see the border, but I will put another thing later so that we could see it. Now I will reload this. Oh, I have forgot to mention a thing in the link. After the title you will put a link refer, means it will relate the style sheet, and the styling of the HTML to type, that is text or CSS, and the link I will give means refer to the style.css file it will do. Now you're gonna replace it, you're gonna save that, and when you reload you would see that the buttons are aligned properly. But now we will do one thing, that is if we hover, means put our cursor on that, it should it should change its color. So I will put background image, not background image, background color to ff, means it will change to white, and the color of the text it will no, not the color of the text, yes, the color of the text will change to black, like this. But this is not looking good because there is no transition. So for that, first I will remove the transparent so that we could see the border, and then after the border I will put a transition with 0.6 seconds ease, means you could put 1 second or 0.5 second, any of your choice. Now for the styling of the logo, first I will put dot logo img, and in that curly brackets it will float as left, means it will show on the left side, and the top, from the top it height would be 10 pixels, and the width I will put as 100 pixels. You can put any of your choice, and the width I will put as auto, means of what the width it is. uh, yes, auto. Now I will check that, and in the button I will show you guys the yes, this is a YouTube button image, so I will put as yt.png, and when I will save the both files it should get displayed, yes, like this it will get displayed. And here you can see that there are files named as content and about, home, contact, and the location of that file I will refer to the buttons, means for the home button, the home file. And first I have got the about, so I will put the about, then for the home button I will put that, and for the contact I will say copy the file and paste it here. I will remove the hashtag because we don't need that. Here is the contact, now we have give the content, copy that and paste. uh, I have made a mistake, I have copied the content link to the contact, and by this I have changed the names a few a bit, and by this, by clicking on the page you will shift to the another page, and by this your buttons and the logo is inserted to your web page. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.